Hello guys, in this video I will explain to you how to get my current favorite trick. So stay with me, there we go. On the 10th of October this year is gonna be officially the 2 years anniversary of this channel. Alright, I already had the idea since 2014 to build an online Kizomba school. So I had some struggle to be able to learn how to record, how to teach online and everything. So it took me 2 years to post the very first tutorial, which was the 10th of October 2016, and today we are approaching the 10th of October 2018 and we hit the bar of 12,000 subscribers. For this I would like to say thank you. I'm really glad. This project is really ambitious, it worked pretty well, and in this video I will also tell you more about how we are evolving. Alright, enough said, let's go straight to the topic of this video, which is my current favorite trick. I really love it. I've made a tutorial of it, and this tutorial we are not gonna post it on YouTube, but you guys can get it and I will explain to you how. We are going to really take care of every people in the community on our Facebook Messenger. We have a Facebook page, Online Kizomba School, and we're gonna be really reactive with our community on Facebook Messenger. Everyone almost has Facebook today, so everyone is supposed to be on Facebook. Join us on Facebook Messenger. The 100 first subscribers that gonna join us there gonna receive this premium content tutorial. How to do that? Let's go on Facebook. I will show you now. And last but not least, I would like to inform you guys about something. I'm gonna start a special category. This category is the challenge for me to transfer my almost 7 years Kizomba experience as a teacher, dancer, and as like an artist into one place. I want to transfer everything. One day I will stop traveling, I will stop teaching, but everything will be there forever. When I started this project, it was this: enjoying the value to be able to record and to watch it wherever, whenever in the world. It's happening, I'm really glad for it. Thank you very much everyone. Stay tuned on Messenger. See you.